I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Can you speak to me at all?
Hello sir, you're right, my name's PC Palmer. You okay? That's what you're doing today?
So, is everything alright? I'm quite concerned, sir. This is a secure building and you're filming it and you're filming the person.
It's a classic one-word tactic. Secure sounds official. It sounds urgent. But here's the reality, calling a site secure is not the same as giving a lawful order. Filming from a public pavement is perfectly legal, and it always has been. If a location is genuinely restricted by law, an officer must do more than use vague language. They need to identify the specific statute involved or clearly point to posted signage that establishes the restriction. Anything short of that is just smoke and mirrors, an attempt to manufacture compliance through implication rather than legal authority. When these broad claims come without proof, they're not about public safety. They're about pressure. The hope is that you'll back down without questioning it.
Can we ask what you're doing today? Or if we can help you with anything? I'll see this couple of
Would you mind, sir? Would you mind stepping back? Stepping back, please, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty.
The next move is a verbal warning. Interfering with an officer is an offense. On paper, that's true. But here, it's missing the one thing that matters, evidence. Standing still on a public pavement and quietly filming doesn't come close to the legal definition of obstruction. To cross that line, there must be intentional disruption of a specific police duty. If no duty is being interrupted, no obstruction has occurred. Without that foundation, the warning stops being about preventing interference. It becomes a tactic to manufacture the appearance of wrongdoing, laying the groundwork to justify further action where none is legally supported.
Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me and do not block me.
With a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now.
I'm instructing you.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if you interfere,
I'm not talking to her.
I'm not
talking to her. Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I? Don't lie. You're on camera.
It's on your phone.
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been talking to my colleague.
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said
you
tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me.
I asked
when.
you. Yes, for you
So
to
you
tell
did
her.
tell
No,
her.
for you to tell her. For you to tell her to take it off.
That's fine. Listen.
You should
I've
tell her
asked
to
you
take that
politely.
badge off.
I've asked you
I don't care if
politely,
you've asked
sir.
me politely.
I've
I don't
asked you
care about
politely.
politeness.
The camera shifts away from the building and settles on the badge pinned to the officer's chest, a thin blue line design worked into a Union flag, blue stripes cutting through it. At first glance, it might pass as solidarity. Within policing circles, though, it's far more contentious. The Metropolitan Police dress code is unambiguous, no unauthorized badges, emblems, or symbols. That includes any alteration of the Union flag. There are no carve-outs for personal meaning or sentiment. The rules exist to keep uniforms neutral, free from political or divisive messaging. So this isn't just about fabric and thread. It's about disregarding the very standards officers are sworn to uphold, and what it says when those rules are treated as optional.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay, I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace.
Well, no,
it's a deface the Union flag. Well, get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me.
You're on the public pavement.
I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it. Get your car out the way. Get your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me
what,
alarm, harassment and distress, okay? Away.
Right, sir, listen.
No, I'm not listening to you. I don't care if you ask me nicely. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform. Yeah, do you want proof? Let me show you proof. Okay? Let me show you proof. Look, here's your uniform. Here's what it says. Want to read it? Please don't wear badges advertising causes, beliefs or charities. They distract from your corporate identity and compromise the impartiality of the Met. That's what you're doing, and that's a charity badge, yeah? Alright, now I'm asking you directly, is that a charity badge?
Not a charity badge, no.
What is it then? What is it then? What is it?
We're not going back because I'm not having this.
Okay, let me just tell you this, yeah? We also take part in the following things: Memorial Day, Poppy Day, and Remembrance Sunday, or Remembrance Day. They're the only badges that you should be wearing on your uniform. Okay?
This gentleman has
legitimate reasons to be out here filming because it's in the public.
Which constitutes evidence. We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
The tone shifts. The officer leans in, finger pointing, voice clipped, and claims authority under PACE Section 19 to seize the auditor's phone. Let's stop and look at the facts. Section 19 does allow officers to seize property, but only when they have a reasonable belief that it contains evidence of a criminal offense. That word matters. Reasonable. Filming a public building is not a crime. Questioning a uniform badge is not a crime. Exercising lawful conduct in a public space is not a crime. Without an underlying offense, there is no legal foundation for seizure. So what's driving the threat? Not the law, ego. It's a power play, a moment meant to assert dominance rather than uphold justice.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
Sir.
All right then, well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
as what evidence to do what?
Will take
of what crime?
Under the Police
of
and
what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
it's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime?
If I believe,
what's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why? What crime is it? What crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
What do you want? What do you want? We can seize that, can't we? As evidence.
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first practical first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
The auditor challenges the officer about being recorded on her body-worn camera without notice. She snaps back, asterisk, you didn't tell me you were recording. Asterisk, that response sidesteps the issue entirely. The auditor's filming is open and obvious, and under UK law it doesn't require any announcement. Her reply leans on policy, not law, which effectively concedes the point. She didn't need to tell him. But here's the problem. Policy is used as a shield rather than a guideline. Instead of clarifying the legal position, it's wielded to shut the conversation down, creating an exchange that feels dismissive and condescending. This isn't just an awkward moment. It's a clear example of personal authority overriding legal clarity, exactly the kind of behavior public audits are meant to expose.
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building, he's filming...
My body worn cameras on,
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right, sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming... Speak to me, talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleague's coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his car. So stop lying. Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove it, and I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming.
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I?
The conversation takes a darker turn. The officer invokes terrorism. Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000, police can stop and search only if they have reasonable suspicion of involvement in terrorism. That suspicion must be grounded in concrete, articulable facts. Filming a building from a public pavement isn't one of them. The Home Office has been clear in its guidance: filming in public is lawful, and police cannot arbitrarily stop it. So why introduce terrorism at all? Not out of legal necessity, but strategic intimidation, a calculated escalation designed to unsettle, not to enforce the law.
Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
What's the purpose of your visit today here, sir?
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented,
What's the purpose of
that
your visit
she
today?
shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That Muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a Muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is Muppet a swear word?
trying to keep
Is
it
Muppet a swear word?
trying to keep
Is Muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
what's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a Muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of your
Yeah?
visit
Can I
today?
call him a Muppet? Can I call him a Muppet? Is it a swear word?
mate.
Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay?
What is
Off
the-
your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit? Just going
What's your shoulder number? You didn't tell me your shoulder number.
I don't need to give you my...
Oh, I don't need to do that now, don't I? So you're a police officer in the law, not identifying yourself.
not searching
So you want to go? You don't need to search me. You need to tell me what your shoulder number is.
On the surface, the audit began with simple questions about a badge, a pavement, and a camera. But beneath that, it exposed something far more troubling, a pattern where ego consistently outweighed legal authority. Pace powers were stretched beyond recognition. Terrorism legislation was invoked without cause. Internal policies were applied selectively. Claims of obstruction were made but never substantiated. The common thread running through it all was pride, a refusal to accept being questioned. Through it all, the auditor remained grounded, calm, factual, and unwavering. That's the real takeaway. Knowledge of the law isn't just protection, it's leverage against its misuse.